We've all heard this song.
It might seem crazy.
But what if Pharrell was going through a real rough patch in his life? Well, why have I said that smiling? That's actually so f***ed up. Let's jump straight into things. Because I'm happy. Boom. Right, we're done. Let's drag this in. Let's pitch this up by 6 cents to avoid the copyright strike. Yeah.
It might seem crazy.
Vocals. Here we go. Right.
It might seem crazy.
I'm thinking let's just chop this up and create whatever lyrics we want to add. And then we can do the pitch stuff later.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Right, we want that off the rip. That can work in a sad song.
Without a roof.
This is so stupid.
Here come bad news, talking this and that.
Ah, there is nothing to work with in this song, bro. Damn, why is my camera like that?
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Right, we're starting with that.
Here come bad news.
Because I'm... Yeah, here it is. Because I'm without a roof. Oh, that's actually quite messed up.
Because I'm without a roof.
I actually want this end result to be something really, really good. And I'm convinced we can get there. And we need something that rhymes with roof.
Bad news, talking this and that.
Where's the truth bit? We need the truth.
Baby, by the way.
Oh.
Like I don't without a roof. Because I don't care, baby.
Oh, I've got it. He kind of says by the way here, but it sounds like about. So we're going to work with that.
Care about the truth.
Oh, this just sucks.
Because I'm without a roof. Because I don't care.
What is this? Oh, listen to this man.
Cause here come bad news, talking this and
Ah, let's try and fix this. Oh, we should probably save this. Happy if it was sad. I think it's now time for us to lay down the instrumental. It needs to sound sad. We're in the key of C sharp major, so let's take the relative minor for that, which is A sharp minor. Right, let's swap this scale highlighting, minor, A sharp. I'm going to take some kind of pad preset. Now let's go something softer. Here we go.
don't care about the truth. Because
Oh, this is really bad. I don't think this progression is sad enough. Do a little bit of this.
what I'm about to say. Because I'm
Right, let's add a bass line. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm thinking something real soft and slow. Yeah, here we go.
without a roof. Because I don't care. Without a roof. Because without a roof. Because
Now we need a sad vocal, so we're going to put up a bit of splice. I like this. We're in A sharp minor.
it might seem crazy what I'm about to
Get this off. Get this off. It might seem great. Let's add some perks. We're going to go into the listen up drum kit and we're going to add some perks. The link for this kit's in the description. Percussion. I'm thinking let's speed this up so we can turn it into some kind of R&B track. Or we could turn it into drum and bass. Now let's do R&B. What kit is this? K-pop? Why are we in K-pop? But these drums are nothing like R&B at all. Just trust the process. Whoa, whoa. What was the one I just had? This one? Yeah. Drums. This is actually sounding kind of fire. But you know, as soon as that Pharrell comes in, this shit's gonna be trash. I don't even want to play it. I don't want to hear that. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Right, we're going to worry about the vocals later. Let's start layering some stuff together. Make this sound fat. I'm thinking let's add a morph preset from Grain X4. Kind of like this one. Here we're going to make it a little spicy. Let's add some thermal. Okay. It's time for the vocals again. Right, we're gonna repitch these, so don't worry about this too much now. We're gonna completely switch this up. Let's just listen to how it sounds with the vocals, how it is.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say, because I'm without a roof. Because
Oh, actually,
here come bad news talking this and
I
that.
feel like this is wrong. It's just so garbage right now that I can't even understand where things need to be.
Without a roof, because I don't care.
Right, let me think about this. I'm also kind of worried that this has this like weird harmonizing in the background, which is gonna kind of mess it up when I want to repitch it. I don't really know what we can do about that.
Without a roof,
That stupid that just goes yee
without a roof,
wee.
without a roof.
Right, we're just gonna pitch it. We're just gonna do the pitching right now. We're gonna open up a new tune, and I actually don't really know how this thing works. How do you record it in here? Bro, what? I don't get this at all. Do I just play it?
It might seem crazy what I'm.
Nah. But what? This thing's stupid. Where's the record button?
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Right, let me see what notes we're working with. Scale. E sharp minor. How do I make this sound sad? It's one thing I don't really get. It might. Oh, I've got it. Right. Here we go. FL keys. Okay, we're working with something. Again, just trust the process.
It might seem crazy what I'm.
Oh, I can hear this. I can hear it. This is coming together nice.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Yes. Yes.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say, because I'm without a roof.
Oh, goodness. Oh, I think I've taken this too far. Alright, let's mute all this.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say, without a roof. Because
Oh, it's that stupid background vocal, bruh.
it might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Because I'm without a roof. Because
That little high pitch bit halfway through.
about the truth. Because I'm with
I don't think I can do anything with this. It's just straight. Guys, I think we're cooked. No one even suggested this. I just came out with this challenge all by myself.
about the truth. About the truth.
I actually think the original vocal sounds better.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say, because I'm without a roof. Because I don't care.
How can I make this sound good? You know what? Get this f***ing thing out of here. Right, guys, this sucked. But I'm gonna try and do this and actually start making songs that sound good. I got no idea what I'm gonna do for the next one. Yeah, I don't really even know what to say at this point. Sorry, maybe? Leave in the comments what you think would be a good next video, like a little challenge or something. I usually say like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, but there was nothing enjoyable about this video. You know, the worst part is when you can't stop hearing it as well. But yeah, the next one's gonna be better. So let me know what video you wanna see next. I will do any challenge, music related, of course. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.